What you got? Peas? Here, I'll trade you. Here, Addie. Here. You want this one? Give me this one. What are you doing? Are those good peas? Are those good? Are those good? Here. You want this one? Here. You want it? You want it? Are you full? Here, you want it? Is that good pea? Yeah. I know. Here. Here, take this one. Addie. Look, this one has food on it. I know. I think you got all the food off that one. Mommy see. Thank you. Here you go. A lot of peas. Here. You're funny. Here. You do it. Here. Addie. Here. You're a big girl. Want this one? Here, I think you got all of it. Here.